And we're back to learning HTML SVG. This time I'm going to show you markers. I already created 3 elements, a line in black, this path in red, and a polyline in green. If you don't know how to set this up, just check my playlist. I already have, or I'm going to make videos about these elements. This one's about applying a marker to it. We need the defs first, and inside we'll paste a marker. Already prepared one. So we've got opening and closing, and inside of the opening tag, these are the attributes that you need. Onto orientation, and then I've created a path. So this is for an arrowhead. So I've given it the specific ID. Don't worry too much, we're going to go over these elements, but let me just apply it to the line, which was the black element, and I'll apply it to the end, so marker minus end, URL, hashtag, and then we'll use arrowhead, which is the ID of our marker. And you can see it now. Marker height and width is for the size, so if I make it 10, it's going to get smaller. Ref X and Y is for the position on the line, so if I make this 50, you can see it starts at a different position. With 5, we've got to place it a little bit behind the end, but the arrowhead exceeds it. The view box, keep it to 001010 to have it visible. The orientation is reversed. If I take this out, you can see it's still in the right position, but it's now in a simple left to right orientation. And we want to have it according to the line. So the line is diagonal, therefore change the orientation to auto start reverse. And that should fix it. Let us create a second one. We'll just call this dot. And we'll use the same values, but we'll get rid of the path and create a circle instead. Once again, this is also an element I've covered in my playlist, so check it out if you haven't seen it and you don't know how to set up a circle in HTML SVG. I'll make this black for now, CX, CY and radius for 5. And I want to add it right here to my path, which was this wavy line, which is red right now. And I'll apply it to the end first. I need my URL, hashtag, arrowhead. So I'll keep an arrow here. So this uses the first marker. And now I use the dot, which has the dot URL. And I'll make it marker mid. URL hashtag dot, and this is going to give me 2 dots right here. So every time this path goes into a different direction is the marker mid. And we can also apply it to the marker start, which is the first position on the left. So we have 3 dots now and 1 arrowhead. Let us check the polyline, which is the coordinate system in green. I only want to have marker start, arrowhead, obviously it's the URL and then hashtag, and also want to have it applied to the marker end. And due to the orientation auto start reverse, it's automatically correctly orientated for both lines so that we have this coordinate system. Let me change the stroke color to black. Let's say you want to have red dots for the path. You can change that right here. But if you want to change the arrowhead, you would also adjust them for the line and the polyline, and you don't want to have that. So it's a good idea to simply create a new marker and make that arrowhead red. For this to appear red, we need to change the fill for our path. So set the fill to red. On the arrowhead, I'll change the ID to arrowhead and then red. Let's go to our path, which was the curvy line. We want to have it at the end, so I'll change the URL to arrowhead red. And this is how you can create markers in HTML SVG. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.